Today is the first day of living on the road. We've been planning this road trip for months, and it's finally coming to life. We are beyond excited to live life and share everything that comes along the way. Our first major destination is Omaha, Nebraska for a Billie Eilish concert. Here you can see it's kind of a struggle to find food on the road, especially food that won't go bad. After driving 4 to 5 hours, we stopped in Indiana. Once we arrived, we got a Planet Fitness membership and some groceries. And for some odd reason, we tried White Castle, and it was pretty dog water. After eating 12 burgers from White Castle and feeling like garbage, we decided it was bedtime. Our first night setup was pretty jank, but I promise it gets better. If you would like to follow us along on our journey, please don't forget to like and subscribe.